Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. So firstly, in the area of integrated marketing communications, what has been the trend that you've spotted and what has been the changing dynamics that you've seen in house?
I think two things. One is the fact that it's become far more digital than it used to be earlier, 10 years back. And the other is the speed with which it is all moving on to mobiles. Earlier, internet used to be largely computer based, and to a large extent, that is what was restricting, within India at least, the growth of the internet media. But with it moving on mobiles, obviously access becoming easier and cheaper, it is expanding much more rapidly than it was, let's say, 5 years ago.
Okay. And as a marketer, how do you adapt to this? Because there are changes. First, social media, now another blue casting, like so many new trends coming up. How do you keep?
I think one of the great delights of being in marketing or in the communication field is the fact that you've got to cope with changes, right? And it has its pressures, but it also has huge upsides. It keeps your adrenaline pumping, and you get to experiment new things. A lot of experimentation that's happening, and which is something that you could turn around 10 years later and tell your children, saying that this is what you did when the medium was just starting off. So that's, I think, somewhere a very exciting phase to be in.
In today's workshop, we're dealing with brand building.
That's right.
Which has been one brand that you are very close to, that you've revamped, and if you can give us?
I think Mr. Parmeshwaran mentioned it, that we worked across a lot of them, so to be able to pinpoint, turn around and say that this is the one that is my favorite would be very wrong. But I think there are a lot of brands which have done very well over the last few years. Some of them have taken on international competition, global brands, and succeeded against them. And that, I think, is the big point, which is that there are Indian brands which have the ability to take on global brands, and come out on top. I think that's been one of the senses of pride that we got.
What has been your mantra for building a brand?
Integration. Very clearly integration. In fact, between Mr. Parmeshwaran and I, we set up the direct marketing and the interactive divisions for the agency and the healthcare division, etc. So it's always been about integration, about looking at brands not from the context of brands or the marketing context, but looking at it from the consumer touchpoint context. Which are the touchpoints that the consumer is interacting with, and therefore what should the brand deliver at that particular touchpoint. It may be different for each of the different brands, but you have to be clear that each touchpoint interaction has a role to play in the overall communication strategy. So that's what you need.
That's the golden rule. For us, we're just going to graduate as marketers, and we're going to be dealing in the area of IOC. What is the one tip? What is the one lesson that we should take?
I think never believe that you crack the idea. An idea is never cracked. You always keep on working on it, building it further, improving it, strengthening it, taking it forward. Because the brands that have sat on their ideas, the brands that have got complacent, have been beaten. And brands they're like organisms. You have to keep nurturing them, you have to keep feeding them, you have to keep making sure that you put them back onto the growth path if they're floundering. And really speaking, that's what makes us custodians, because we don't own the brands, the consumer owns the brands.
Right.
We are only custodians who can help the brands along. So I think that is one thing that we need to keep in mind.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.